Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Hi Gigi, how are you feeling? You okay? Yes, I'm okay. Today, it's a really special day because we're going to create colors. How many colors do I have in here? 1, 2, 3. I need more colors. So how do I do that? By mixing colors. Let's see what happens. So, first, what colors do I have in here? Blue, yellow, red. Alright, I need more colors. In order to achieve more colors, we're going to mix these 3 primary colors. Let's see what happens if we mix blue with yellow.
Oh yeah!
We'll have some blue, modeling clay in here. Blue and yellow. We'll form a ball. Right. Blue and yellow. What happens if we mix them? Something is happening. We need to mix them really well in order to achieve another color. Ooh, nice. So this isn't blue anymore and this isn't yellow. This is becoming green.
Oh boy!
Oh wow, look at that! First we had blue and yellow and now we have green. Look, now we have 4 colors instead of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue, red, yellow and green. Oh, I think I want another color now. Maybe I should combine some red with yellow. Let's see what happens. We'll take a bit of red. We have red and yellow. All right, and now let's mix them up. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's already changing. We need to mix it up really well.
Oh yeah!
Jumping through puddles in orange rain boots.
Oh, wow!
Picking ripe carrots where the bunny scoots. There's orange in the rainbow.
Oh, look at that! What color is this? Orange. So now we have 5 colors: orange, yellow, blue, red, and green. What if we mix a bit of red with blue? Let's see what happens. Red and blue. A bit more blue.
Wow!
Let's mix them up and see what happens.
Oh yeah!
Purple hugs feel just right.
Wow!
Oh wow, look at that! Purple! Wow, we have so many colors now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we started with 3 colors. We've doubled the number of colors. Isn't that amazing, Gigi? Oh, wow. All right, let's play with it a bit. Let's make some layers.
Wow.
So this is the first layer, the green one.
Oh boy.
First layer. Second one. Third layer. The fourth layer. Fifth. And sixth one. Now I'm going to take this shape, the star. Let's try to shape this. All right.
Wow.
Look at that. It looks like a rainbow, the rainbow star. Ooh. Wow.